If French conjugation doesn't stick, this video is for you. Let's practice together, pause, think, answer, and learn the present tense step by step. But before we start practicing, let's quickly review how verbs work in the present tense. Let's start with the first group verbs. First group verbs are verbs ending with ER in the infinitive, like manger, aimer, travailler. To conjugate verbs in French, you have to take the verb stem and add the endings of the tense. A verb stem is the part of the verb before the infinitive ending. For the first group verbs, the stem is the part before the ending ER. So, to conjugate first group verbs, you have to take the verb and add the present tense ending for the first group, which are E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Let's take the verb aimer. We take the stem AIM and put one of the 6 endings for the present tense. Let's take E and we get M. A-I-M-E, M. Here's the full conjugation of the verb. J'aime, tu aimes, il, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. Now it's time to practice. I'll show you a pronoun and a verb in the infinitive. Take a few seconds to think, then I'll give you the answer. Tu travailles. Tu travailles. Nous étudions. Nous étudions. J'arrive. J'arrive. Elle parle. Elle parle. Il donne. Il donne. Vous demandez. Vous demandez. Elle mange. Elle mange. Il appelle. Il appelle. Be careful with this verb. With je, tu, il, elle, singular and plural, you need to double the L. J'appelle. Tu appelles. Il, elle, appelle. Ils, elles appellent. Ils entrent. Ils entrent. Vous achetez. Vous achetez. Tu écoutes. Tu écoutes. Elle commence. Elle commence. Be careful with this verb. With nous, there is what we call CCD. It allows the pronunciation son. Without it, The pronunciation would be comment qu'on. Je regarde. Je regarde. Il cherche. Il cherche. Nous montrons. Nous montrons. Vous dansez. Vous dansez. Elle chante. Elle chante. Now let's see second group verbs. Second group verbs end with er in the infinitive, like finir, choisir. To conjugate, you remove the ending er from the verb stem and then add the second group endings, which are es, is, it, i2s, ons, i2s, ez, i2s, ent, pronounced i, sont, ic, is. Let's take the verb finir as an example. We take the term fin and put one of the 6 endings for the present tense. Let's take es and we get fini, f-i-n-i-s, fini. Here's the full conjugation of the verb. Je finis, tu finis, il, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, il, elle finissent. Now time to practice again. Nous finissons. Nous finissons. Je nourris. Je nourris. Ils grandissent. Ils grandissent. Elles réussissent. Elles réussissent. Tu réfléchis. Tu réfléchis. Il choisit. Il choisit. Je grossis. Je grossis. Nous maigrissons. Nous maigrissons. Alright, I'm sure you did a great job. If you want to go further with practice with me as a tutor, you can go visit my website. You'll find a link in my bio and in the description of this video. And if you want to keep improving your French by yourself, check these videos and join us. Merci d'avoir regardé la vidéo. À bientôt!